Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show how to install apps or duplicate apps, how to use dual Facebook Messenger, Instagram or any application on Smart 9. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.